Guys, it is the first time out on the old 450 doing a bit of Enduro. And I am being led by a friend of mine who is on a 500 Sherco. I'm on the 450 Sherco, and we're heading up to the Peak District. Now this is my first time out, so it's going to be interesting. The lad in front, he's got a lot more experience than me. He's leading the route, and yeah, pretty excited. I am feeling a bit under the weather though, so I'm hoping it don't rain too much because I'm full of flu. But we're still living life, we're still going there, so I'll catch up with you guys when we're up on the lanes. Fucking hell, fucking roost the shit out of me. Cheers for that, Rich. Now, as I said, Rich is a bit more experienced than me and he knows these tracks. This is the first time I've been down here, so let's see where we end up. Hopefully I don't come off, because there is levels to this. This one looks relatively steady, to be honest, so I still have the issue with my Sherco. It cuts out, flames out. We still haven't got to the bottom of it just yet, but you'll notice sometimes when I drop the revs it just seems to die off, but hopefully it won't give me too many issues today. And Rich ain't hanging about either, he's quick. he's a pretty good rider. But we'll do my best to keep up. There really is levels to this. And I'm an amateur at best. Obviously he knows these tracks as well, I don't. So, yeah. They don't seem too bad up to now. Let's see where we're going now. He's got a good device, it's like a Garmin, and what that does, he can set all his route into it. And it's basically just like your sat-nav, if you like, but with all the green lanes, which is pretty handy. I've not seen one before. But I'll tell you what, vibration in the old hand. Anyway, I'll catch up with you on the next lane. Now, I think it's about an 80-mile loop that we're doing. It is getting a bit frustrating because mine keeps dying. That one. It's taking it the wrong way already. Here we go. So Rich is pretty quick on his. I believe he, woohoo! I believe he used to race them. Could be wrong. So it could be a wrong idea to try and keep up with him, but well, we'll do our best. But it's frustrating because mine keeps cutting out. See, he's gone. Now he knows these lanes, I don't. Obviously it's the first time I've been down here. First time I've really been out properly on this bike, doing Enduro if you like, or the lanes. So it'll be a good test for myself and the bike. Well, the bike at the minute is not playing right. We know this, and we are looking to get it fixed. Thing is, I don't know what's round these corners, he does. Oh. So the bike's trying to cut out. Nice. Nice little lane. Now I have got the new mic on today. I don't know if you're going to be hearing me breathing a lot or not. It does get quite tiring, this. Obviously today, this is early on stages, so it's not too bad at the minute. So the bike keeps stalling. It's frustrating. I don't know where the fucking hell he's gone. I think he's gone this way. It'd be funny if it's not gone this way. Oh, I can see a brake light, there we go. You have to really ride it on the clutch, I think, to try and keep it alight. Ah! Keeps wanting to cut out. Oh, log. Fucking hell, it's a bit tight in here. I see what he means about getting the bike scratched. You see, it just keeps wanting to cut. Look, there you go. It's just, I have to literally ride it on the clutch to keep it alive. It's getting a bit frustrating, really. But hey ho, we're out at least. Makes the riding a bit more harder though. Oh, look. Find it easier to keep a bit of distance so I don't get covered in shit. Get battered by stones and dust, can't see fuck all. Nice lane, nice lane, nice fast flowing one. Enjoyed that. Let's see if she stays alive. I knew she wouldn't. Oh fucking hell, fucking stalled at me. I ain't going through that shitty bit. Fucking hell, there's a Tesla doing down on a green lane. What the fuck is going on there? Not every day you see it has Tesla on a green lane. Not every day you see a Tesla on a green lane, is it?
What?
I said it's not every day you see a Tesla on a green lane. What the fucking hell's that doing? Opening, they're giving us a bit of rain. It's not going to be good for my cold. I'm full of flu at the minute. Snot dribbling down my face. What a beautiful sight. Or it should have just turned off.
Oh, nah.
Oh, I didn't get that then. Yeah, so it was recording.
Yeah.
I can't just.
I'm recording, man.
Yeah, I just pressed it to see what we can get at least a little bit. And so the video ended quite abruptly there because what actually happened was I didn't take a spare battery like my wife told me to. She stood with the camera, and once more, or furthermore, I ended up with a flat tyre. So the day ended pretty badly. We got a flat tyre. I didn't take a spare. I had to get recovered, and well, we missed quite a lot of good footage, but there is plenty more to come. We did some really technical stuff, which I was very surprised. Rich took me up some good stuff. I didn't think I'd get up there. We got up there, and look forward to that because that will be coming. We are going to go back and do it. But up to now, I've got to sort this out. We've got the inner tubes on order. All the other bits are coming. Hopefully the bike will be fixed and there'll be no frustration with all this stalling business. You can probably tell by my voice I'm now very, very ill because yesterday when I went out on the bike, I was full of flu. But I was too keen and I wanted to carry on. And now I'm suffering. Catch you on the next one.